Hi Emily again, this is Sonia. Just wanted to kind of show you, make this video. I'm gonna do it through here so that you can show to your roommates, and that will be the kitchen and the space that we talked about in the kitchen. Lots of windows, lots of windows. Then we walk through the hallway. You have two additional closets. You know, the coat and towel rack. You have the bathroom. Pretty nice, pretty spacious, clean. And then this is room number, I want to say room number 1. Nice space over there. Room number 2. Outside we have the swimming pool and the space for the cars, so it's just one car inside, and the rest, there's a swimming pool, and then the rest of the cars outside. So I will talk to you soon.